Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev B. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed down below. For today's video, I'm about to do a hairstyle using clip-ins from Curlsqueen. So I just want to show you what I got in my package and the tools that you can get on the website as well. So these are the clip-ins that we'll be working with today. This is their water kinky curly clip-in in 3B 3C hair texture. So I'm using this in 18 inches, and this is the upgraded invisible seamless weft. So this is what the hair looks like once I have washed it and conditioned it, because I wanted the curls to be a little bit looser. So this is how my natural hair is looking like. I didn't flat iron my natural hair as yet, but I did blow dry it. So I washed, deep conditioned, and blow dried my hair. So what I wanted to do for this hairstyle, I wanted to try the flip over method using clip-ins. So if you've known the flip over method, it was created by a fellow YouTuber, Ivy, and I've been saying I needed to try this, but I haven't used or done a sew-in on myself in a very long time. So I'm like, you know what? We are about to do this with some seamless clip-ins. So I just put some oil on my scalp for a little bit of nourishment, because my scalp be itchy when I have on any type of anything on my head top. So we're gonna start with the 4-piece weft in the back, well, a 4-piece clip. So I'm doing the longer pieces in the back, because if you know, or if you're familiar with the flip over method, you use like smaller tracks in the front. So I use the longer ones in the middle and the back, and then I'm just gonna go around the perimeter of my head. And I did use the entire bundle of this hair, so it is about 10 pieces that come in a bundle, and it was full. As you guys can see in the back part of my head, I didn't even leave any of my hair out, and the hair was still full. So if you have maybe longer hair, you could do like a little bit of leave out in the back, so you could put it up in a bun or put it up in one. But I wanted this to be as close to a protective style as possible. Yeah, I'm gonna use a little bit of heat in the front, but I didn't want my entire hair out. I just needed the front to be out and to blend the hair. So I'm just adding the tiny pieces in the front, and this is what is gonna give that seamless flip over type of look. And what I love about these new seamless weft clip-ins is that they're super flat, so you could do a ponytail with them. It looks less puffy at the roots because of how flat they lay. And I'm just putting in a little bit of extra pieces here and there in spaces that I think needs to be filled in. Then I'm gonna go in with my diffuser, because listen, curly hair plus diffuser gives a volume, natural volume. I wanted this hair to look like my hair as best as possible, and it's giving summertime fine. So I'm using this glove because listen, I am tired of burning my fingers when I'm using a GWAN iron. Like, I have learned my lesson too many times. Like, I have a scar on my neck to show me using an iron without using the proper precautions. So we're using this today. So I'm just creating a little bit of wand curls in certain area of the hair that I wanted the curls to be tighter. And my goal for this style is not to use gel. I didn't want to use gel at all. Obviously, the texture and the curl pattern of this clip-in is different from my natural curl pattern, so I won't be using any gel on my natural hair as well. So once I'm satisfied with the pieces that I did curl up, we're gonna try to curl our hair in a way that will best match the hair texture. So first things first, I'm gonna go in with some heat protectant, and then I'm going to do a light flat ironing of my hair first. I'm just gonna do a little bit of run through. As you guys can see, I'm not even doing it bone straight. And then I'm gonna go in with this little tiny flat iron, and I'm gonna create some curls. So I didn't use the one iron that I have because I don't know, it just wasn't curling tight enough for me because of how short my hair is. Like, the length, it just wasn't working. So I'm going to use this little flat iron and create them little curls in there. And when I was creating it, I'm like, yo, this would be a nice little style if my hair, my entire hair was curled up like this, and I did a little afro type of situation with it. So what I'm going to do is separate the little curls that I made, and then I'm going to bring the hair forward and just flip it in. And what I love about doing it like this with this flip over method is that I could do a half up, half down as well. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the clip-in hair and my hair together and do the one curl to blend it together in the front. And sis, the blend and the curl with this hair, it was giving so natural, growing straight from the scalp, and I was in love. The quality and the softness of this hair, gorgeous. And I love clip-ins because they're so versatile. You can do anything with clip-ins. You can put it up in a bun, you can do a ponytail, half up, half down. You can do this nice curly flip over do. It's everything. These clip-ins are giving me life. I'm loving how flat they are, how seamless they are. It's giving natural. Like, you can't tell me this isn't my hair. Okay, you just cannot tell me otherwise. I am in love with the outcome of this. So all the details that you need will be in the description box down below. Also, I use this hairspray to just help keep my curls intact. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at damn that's Chev, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.